Okay, guys, this is part 2. Enzo's leaving already. Enzo's leaving. Oh, just how to get back here. We're going to the forest.
I'm gonna have anxiety and PTSD attacks.
Oh, there's water.
It's slippery. There's water everywhere.
Bro, some of it came from the toilet. When I was using the bathroom, I heard it from the vents. I'm gonna go put on grumpy. I just want to get in.
Yeah.
This is. Oh my god, I almost slipped.
Let's go.
No, the other way. That's the 5 and 6. I remember coming.
Scoot over. Y'all not getting between the stuff. Come on, scoot over. Come on, sit right here on the floor. That's it. There's one of you.
I'm sitting right here.
Where are you going?
Y'all sit over there.
Isaac, over here.
I'll sit up here and then post it. I sit right here. And then we need you, Jackson. Okay? Wait, where are you?
Y'all can't be.
Andres, sit over here.
Because we have another YouTube channel with each other.
Isaac, come sit over here.
No!
Isaac, come sit over here.
No!
Okay, come sit over here with him.
But, okay.
Guys, no.
Me and Jackson are supposed to meet.
Sit over here.
Miss Cass.
Sit over here.
Aw. Okay, let's go.
You need to learn how to listen. Sit down on the floor.
Until we relax.
Get your blanket. You're not laying down. Sit down.
It's only me and Jackson this time, right?
Yes.
Okay. So we're for our lights right now. We don't know if we're gonna make it. It's giving. Why is he looking at me? It's giving.
Be quiet.
It's giving creepy vibes.
Sit down.
Bro, he keeps giving me the video. Bro, it's only me and Jackson this time. Do you understand what only me and Jackson means? I'm not in the video. Shoot. Yeah.
Be quiet.
A lot has changed in this room. They have like little leaves right there. Right here.
So quiet.
Very quiet. What time is it?
Don't know.
It's 1:15. We were still
Sit right.
still being like, oh wait, give me back the glasses.
He's gonna get you in trouble.
I told you not to be in the video.
I'm in the video.
I told you to be quiet. I'm already talking to your dad, so I'm not even worried about you.
I can't be in the video.
Yeah, the daycare is gonna be. Let's hope it does not shut down.
Let's hope it does.
No, because I grew up.
So we can stay home.
No, I grew up in here. No.
I've been in here for
Give me back that bear. Stop touching the bear. Stop touching Grumpy Bear.
my best friend for 2 years already.
Bear is just mind zone.
I've been friends for about 2 years.
Oof.
Yeah, so
I wonder if the whole daycare wants to say hi to the video.
okay, so yeah.
I want to say hi.
So basically,
Isaiah.
Isaiah.
You want to say hi? To the video. To yeah.
Why are you in a video?
No?
Tell Poppy. Yeah, so tell Poppy.
He's already in the other video.
So about why we made a YouTube channel with each other is because we've been friends for about 2 years.
Two or three.
Yeah,
I don't know.
Yeah, so yeah, we made the channel last year. So yeah. We made that channel like about a couple months ago.
Don't stop. Y'all were doing
And
good.
last
Be
year,
quiet.
so this is why we made the YouTube channel together. It's really because we've been friends for, and I wanted to be famous. I know, like I don't want to be famous, but I want to be like
Everybody
I
keep
want
quiet.
to achieve a goal of being a YouTuber.
I want to be a YouTuber too.
I'm gonna put his username in my bio later. Okay, bye guys.